So this is the formula. You can decode by that any Prashna chart. Okay. Now I want to ask you all one question. Right now you all have seen that Priyanka ma'am was tying the hair. Tell me the color of the rubber or clutcher without looking to that. मैम दिखाइएगा नहीं. Tell me the color of that.
Yellow color because Lagna
White.
had.
Sorry.
It was white with red embroidery or something.
Okay. Anyone else? ललिता मैम तो बता देंगी. और कोई बताएगा? संगीता मैम, यू विल से. आशु जी, अंकित जी, सिद्धार्थ जी, आप बताइए.
नो आइडिया सर, पता नहीं.
नो आइडिया. कोई बात नहीं. प्रश्न जो मैंने जो प्रश्न दिखाया वो तो समझ आ रहा है.
जी जी सर, वो आ रहा है.
ठीक है. कहीं भी कुछ समझ नहीं आए तो मुझे बोलिए. यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग प्लीज लेट मी. आलोक जी आप बताइए.
मैं को चार्ट देख रहा था, इसमें लग्न कौन सा है? वही
लग्न 9 नंबर का. 9 नंबर. आई एम शेयर.
वेजिटेरियस है. अच्छा.
Jupiter was with the Rahu and all other planets.
That means it should be a black color hairband. Saturn is expecting.
What is the color, Priyanka ma'am?
Black, sir.
Black. Okay. See how I am saying the black color. Third house Saturn in the Aquarius sign, black color. Saturn is the black. And it should be the rubber band or clutcher. Which?
Rubber band.
It will be rubber band
Rubber
because
band.
she must have twisted it twice or more than once.
She was three times.
Twice.
Okay. Because Ketu is aspecting Saturn and Saturn is in Aquarius sign. So more than once she would have twisted it.
Mars is again aspecting that Saturn. Okay. What is the Mars? By doing this thing, she has created one activation which will go to the second house of family and also 12th house of loss, 5th house of child, and 9th house of teacher or father. What you say? Third house is the house of sibling. Now there will be some kind of gain or loss to the sibling at this time. You can ask Priyanka ma'am to your sibling.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
अभी इस टाइम पे जब आपने वो बांधा उस समय में आपने उसका एक्टिवेशन किया तो आपके भाई या बहन को किसी तरीके का गेन या लॉस हुआ होगा, या फिर आप अपनी बेटी को चेक कीजिए क्या वो बाथरूम में गई है.
Wait, wait.
या कहाँ गई है पता करके आइए. Where she has gone. Actually, I am talking about her daughter. Where she has gone.
She might have gone to the kitchen also, sir.
Let us see.
Yes.
Prashna is magic. Every time it is having the infinity of the power. That means there is an infinite range.
No,
Sonic.
sir, No, sir. She went to kitchen to bring water.
किचन देखा आपने? तो ललिता मैम ने बोला किचन, तो
How?
गई,
Say how se
How
dekha?
kitchen?
How did this happen? Yeah.
आप बताइए.
Please explain. Na.
Fourth house.
I don't know what logic I used, but at that point of time, I got that answer and I told.
Very
There was
nice.
no logic behind this at all.
You are right, man, because Saturn is the house. Saturn is the lord of second house. Okay, and this second house is aspected by Mars. So the Saturn is aspected
Fiery place.
by. But she was taking water.
Hmm.
And अच्छा, आपके घर में घड़ा है मैम? Do you have pot?
Aquarius sign. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
घड़े से पानी निकाला उसने.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tap
Aquarius, Aquarius sign is the pot.
Kumbh.
Oh my God.
उस पे टैप लगा हुआ है, टैप से उसमें निकाला.
जो भी हो, लेकिन pot है ना मिट्टी का, उसमें पानी था.
Yes, sir.
Wow,
Yes, sir.
that's
Too good,
amazing.
sir. Too good.
Too good.
This is
That's
like-
really.
He has pot in the kitchen. Aquarius sign is the pot, and the daughter was taking. At the same time, she has created that event. I am not saying anyone other has created, or actually, whenever we are doing something, we create an event, we activate something. That's why it happens. Everything, whatever you are doing, you are activating something. That
But
is the
sir, how did you connect it with the siblings?
Third house.
third house is the house of sibling. At the same time, sibling के साथ भी हुआ होगा कुछ. हो सकता है वो भी.
Daughter.
Priyanka, while
कैसे
filling
बोले,
the
sir?
water, did she spill the water on the floor?
might be because kitchen is a little bit long away.
Yeah.
So I have to go and check.
Why
नहीं
it
सर,
is-
आपने डॉटर कैसे लिया? डॉटर क्यों लिया? फिफ्थ लॉर्ड पकड़े कि? I mean, why did you say
Brother
daughter?
drank that water also.
Fifth house, fifth house.
So when she brought the water and my brother drank.
Sorry.
Sir, you said na something related to my sibling. When she brought the water, she had, and my brother also had that water.
The same event happened to brother also. Is it magic or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
That
I
is
have a question. आपने daughter कैसे बोला, sir? I didn't understand that part.
fifth house is daughter,
Fifth
set
house is-
affecting third house, third aspect, fifth house. Saturn
Okay.
will aspect a house, no? Saturn is
Okay. Now got it. Yeah.
that's why daughter and sibling both.
हाँ.
ठीक है, this is the power of Prashna.
And sir, Rahu is also there, so he is watching cricket match on mobile.
Now you can connect so many things. I have given you the idea.
Okay.